Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the right, with show grid lines. By just one tap here we can turn on the grid lines and another tap to turn them off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now this is turned on, and also the grid lines appear here in the camera preview. So this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily tap on this button in the right corner once again and pick here to turn them off. So for now they have gone in the preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.